Okay, and now here we are back in the back side of our dashboard of a WordPress blog here, and now we need to set up a plugin for lead pages, because you're going to need lead pages, right? There's no sense in going out and buying expensive software or having bills stack up. So I'm going to show you how to do this real nice and gently. So go to My Sites, Network Admin, we're going to click on Plugins. I'm going to come over here and we're going to add new plugin. We're going to go to Popular and we're going to go over here and search plugins, and we want what they call WP landing pages. Okay, WP landing pages, and here it is right here. It pops up WP landing pages. All we have to do now is install now. Yep, okay. I'm going to install this plugin, and it says network activate. I'm going to network activate it. Now it is activated across our network. Okay, so when we go back over here to our blog, to the dashboard, we can see it right here. Okay, next video we'll be talking about how to create our landing page. Let's move on.